Our galaxy is full of mysteries and beautiful planets. One could only wonder what lies far from our planet, but James Webb Space Telescope has made that possible. It's regarded as one of the best work in NASA and is also named the best space observatory among all, and we are not surprised. Its ability to capture the tiny details leaves one astounded by how beautiful our universe is. And just like that, we've compiled the 11 new images from the James Webb Space Telescope, which will leave you astounded. So sit back and make sure to stick with me till the end of the video so that you don't miss anything at all. Now, without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. Black hole in Dwarf galaxy. Located around 30 million light years away from our galaxy, this black hole you see in the picture lies in the heart of the Dwarf galaxy. Now before we begin with the details in the picture, you must be wondering why this is called the Dwarf galaxy in the first place. Well, this galaxy has only 1/10 the number of stars compared to our galaxy. However, the picture depicts another story, as the black holes are considered the light-capturing goons which dissolve stars since the beginning of the time. But in this picture, the black hole could be seen producing new stars. Not only that, this black hole is also around 10 million solar masses. Some images of gas launched from the black hole were also captured. However, this outflow of gas from the black hole is too small, and it compressed the dense cocoon of the gas to give birth to new stars. Twisted spiral. This warp-shaped galaxy, aka NGC 3718, looks like a letter S from the Earth. This shape is believed to be the result of gravitational attraction with 150,000 light-years away galaxy known as NGC 3729. This also results in the line of the reddish stars in the middle of the spiral. Not only that, the dust and the galaxy gas are also equally distorted due to the gravitational effect. Unconventional planet. There's a theory regarding the formation of the Jupiter planet, which is also known as disk instability, and this picture kind of justifies the theory. In this picture, a planet formation could be seen in a rather violent process. This new planet could be seen embedded in a disk of dust and a swirling spiral structure around it. Its age is estimated to be around 2 million years and is named AB Aurigae b. Most of the planets are formed from the dust particles that collide with each other while orbiting around the star, but some protoplanets like Jupiter and AB Aurigae b prove the disk instability method as well. Swift stellar jet in Man Nebula. This jet stretching around the area of 2 light-years is emitted by the star Perengo 2042 and flares into the depths of Nebula NGC 1977. Now if you focus, you will also notice red and orange colored flares in the picture. Well, these red colored jets are nothing but the glowing gas of related shocks. You'll also notice the blue ripples moving away from the jet, which is also the result of BOW shocks or bow shocks from the nearby star 42 Orionis. Now you must be wondering what bow shocks are. Such shocks basically result when the streams of gas collide and, as a result, crescent-shaped waves are formed. You might also notice the bright western lobe cocooned in various orange arcs, which then decrease in size as we move away from the stars. Newly forming star in IC 2631. This image shows a newly formed star in the Chameleon constellation. Now you must be wondering how stars are formed in the first place. Well, when clouds of gas and dust collapse due to the gravitational force, the hot core is formed, which further gathers gas and dust, and hence protostar is produced. At first, the protostar shines due to the contraction of clouds around, but later its core gets hot enough to allow the fusion process, which ultimately results in the star formation. We also have a fun fact for you, as protostars could only be seen visibility in the infrared light due to their immense energy emissions and its light being stopped by the dust and gas around it. Nebula cooking stars. Dark nebula always leaves one wondering about what might be happening within them. This image shows a dark nebula, which is also known as the absorption nebula. It basically absorbs the light from the star beyond it and doesn't let it pass. As a result, it appears as a dark spot where different activities, like star formation, also take place. The bright region that you see in the photo is that of a star-forming region. Like the video so far? Then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, as a little action from you can help our channel grow tremendously. Now let's get back to the video. Dark star hatching frags. Frags is also known as free-floating, evaporating gaseous globules. were first noticed back in 1955 in the Eagle Nebula. In this picture, you can see the knots of interstellar gas where the formation of new stars is taking place. These frags only can be seen when the newly formed star ignites and radiates the ultraviolet radiation. You can also notice a giant type star on the left of the image. Basically, it's the hottest star in the universe, and its color is blue-white. On the other hand, you can also see the supergiant B-type star in the right of the image, which dies by the Titanic supernova explosion. Galactic dance. This image captured shows the gravitational dance between the two galaxies named NGC 3227 and NGC 3226. They're around 50 to 60 million light years away from each other and are collectively known as ARP 94. These two galaxies are linked by a faint tidal stream, which results in their gravitational dance. The NGC 3227 has a very active nuclear and a massive black hole in its center as well. Early universe. Some astounding images from NASA have made shocking revelations. The formation of stars and galaxies in the early universe were thought to be super early, but some of the images showed that the star formation in the early universe took place sooner. The first generation of the stars is also known as the population 3 stars, and there's no evidence of them existing even when the universe was around 500 million years old. Some deeper observations were made with the help of the JWST, which were further magnified by the gravitational lensing effect. 30 years in space with a tapestry of blazing starbirth. Located around 163,000 light years away, this image depicts the wonders of our universe in the form of starbirth. You can also spot the giant red nebula and the smaller blue nebula, both of which are a part of the satellite galaxy of the Milky Way, also known as Large Magellanic Cloud. Many people also associate this image with underwater beauty, hence naming it a cosmic reef. Elusive mid-sized black hole. This image is that of an intermediate mass black hole, which basically weighs 50,000 times the mass of our Sun, yet smaller than the supermassive black holes which are present in the heart of the biggest galaxies. These mid-sized black holes were not thought to be true until the combined power of 2 X-ray observations made it possible. Which image fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell icon button so that you don't miss any updates from my channel. See you all soon. Thanks for watching.